Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Zahara, NIM PO 712512000042, Prodi D4 Praktik tingkat 2, Poltekkes Menkes Jambi. Di sini saya akan membuat video mengenai penyuluhan tentang larang gizi sasaran anak SMP.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, good morning. How are you today? Good bless you. I will introduce myself first. My name is Zahara. Brother is a student majoring in dental therapy, Poltekkes Ministry of Health Jambi. Well, usually when people visit other people, there must be a purpose and purpose right. Brother is the same. Brother come here wanting to give some knowledge to the brother and sister that you got about dental health, especially about tartar. Previously, brother wanted to know first, does anyone here know what tartar is? Or maybe your heart. Alright, brother is explain what tartar is. First of all, I will explain what plaque is. Plaque is a soft layer and collection of gums that stick to the teeth. Well, tartar is plaque that is cleaning so that it harder and stick to the surface of the comb of the tooth, with usually yellowish to brownish in color that can be seen by the eye. Tartar is a hard surface like teeth and cannot be cleaned with a toothbrush and toothpick. Tartar that is visible usually grows under the gums, which cause the gum to become infected usually. Tartar can usually cause birth pain. Now you know what tartar is. So tartar is hardened plaque in the slowly cleaning by the toothbrush and there is collection of gums. So guys, every incident or problem must have a driving factor, right? Factor or thing that cause something to happen, like wish, why tartar, try of love you, know what cause tartar. There are many factors that cause tartar, but one of the same information of dental plaque which is it firmly attached to tooth surface. In the tartar appear to accumulate only one side, it can conclude that the area is not offset when eating, so that there are also things including that constitute the occurrence of tartar are 1. The structure of saliva, 2. Tooth surface, rough or supary, 3. Irregular teeth condition, 4. Recession, decline of the gums. So guys, it's clear what you said early, so if you only use one side of your teeth to eat, for example the right side or the left side, the plaque that is not used for eating will appear and eventually become tartar. You shall know what food can clean your teeth, so you must always use both sides of your teeth when eating. After that you get the bones and brush their teeth. There are two types of tartar. One tartar located above the gums, namely, the color is with yellow, soft and easy to clean from the tooth surface. The color be affected by food, pigment or smoking, can occur in the tooth group at teeth, all mark teeth, many are found in maxillary from molars, the back of mandibular from teeth, and many found in the teeth and one is in outside. Spreading from the neck of the tooth upward, namely on surface the crown and the teeth. Tartar location under the gums, usually in the gum pocket area, cannot be seen at the time of examination, namely the color is dark brown, usually solid and hard to vision. The clean is firmly attached to the tooth surface. They differ from blood cells that break and center between the teeth and gums, spreading to the tooth and the tooth. Well, now brother will mention what are the consequences that can be caused by tartar. So far you know so that later you can be careful if at any time tartar appears. Because tartar is a worse, there everyone experiences it cause. We cannot predict the presence of tartar even though the process has been verified that burning. Consequence of the person of tartar: bad breath, caries, bad aesthetic, inflammation of the gums, inflammation of the periodontium. Alright, now you know the consequence of tartar, right? But the main thing is that we have to take precautions so that tartar does not occur. How to avoid or prevent the occurrence of tartar? The most important way to prevent formation of tartar is to clean your teeth properly by brush you did regularly, twice a day in the right way and daily, often eating your food. Do you know chew only one side because that they aren't insert to chew food will avoid cleaning from the food with result information of data in education breathing food eating food idul yam guava carrot the act of checking your teeth to the dentist on in 6 months is a wise action to prevent tooth loss caused by tartar. Af- After hearing and witnessing it is cannot fully guarantee that after you take precaution the cleaning you will avoid tartar. They can be guaranteed because often people who are diligent in taking care of their teeth have experienced tartar problem, but you don't need to be afraid because tartar can be overcome. Tartar can be licked, can be treated immediately. The treatment to clean or tartar is to visit the dentist and clean the tartar with special tools that can be used in the modeling. The tool is killing a scalar. In the process, it cause some pain and some bleeding, but it's not too worrying, and you don't have to be afraid to do the treatment cause later a tartar will disappear and your teeth will begin again. Alright guys, what you said earlier was a small part of the knowledge that you got and hopefully the practicing like that is become as well. Brother hope that after listening this counseling they can take better care of their mental health in order to prevent the occurrence of tartar. I hope your assembly from your doctor and do it as does not inherit. You can practice in by telling a friend about this tartar and you can do it in your daily life to avoid this tartar. Now that material has been complete. Apologies if there are many mistakes in delivery of the material. Lord is blessing of the heart all of you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.